How to save Instagram draft reel to gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on your device. Now tap on the plus icon. Now simply tap on reels. Now simply tap on drafts. Now tap on the draft. Now tap on edit at the top right corner. Now on the edit page, simply tap on the drop down arrow at the top left corner. Now on the horizontal menu, simply scroll to the right and tap on the download button. Now tap on save to camera roll. Now wait for some time. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your gallery. Now simply tap on albums. Now tap on others. Then go to Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.